Hello, my Skype friend. If I am right, you are Mr. ABC. Are you not? Yes, it is. Yes, I am. Yes, then my call has been connected at the correct Skype ID. Okay then. Hello, Mr. ABC. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am quite well. Then Mr. ABC, I think you may have been using this social media app from long time. But I would like to tell you, this is my first time communicating on social media app. So I am feeling little nervous. But still I think our communication will be better. How do you think? Number 2, what is your name? Often I scared to tell my name because I don't think so. My name is good. If you asked me so politely, then I felt like to tell you. At my family calls me Baburam. My friends call me BK bro. If I tell you about my voter and Aadhaar ID, it is Mantra Kisku. This is my real name, I think. Number 3, you are speaking so beautiful, so fluently, so confidently. How did you learn this language? Yes, maybe, but nobody has praised me till now because as I told you first, this is my first time communication in social media app like Skype. So I think I am not sure that I am speaking so well. Number 4, where are you from? I am from Jharkhand and belong to Devghar district. My village name is Jaridi. It is so far from any city. We come for get bus from 6 kilometers. If I talk about my family, there are 6 members in our family. Mummy, daddy, elder brother, sister-in-law, 1 nephew, and me bachelor. My father is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. My elder brother is also a farmer. My sister-in-law is also a housewife. And we have a small nephew and me bachelor. If I tell you about our family income, we are depend on one season agriculture. Our family income is 80,000 annual. But I am not interested physically hard work. Number 5, what is your education? What is your qualification? How much educated you are? Tell me about your education. I don't think so. A black pen and a white paper can change my life. Because I am scared to tell you that I am 5 class passed from a village school. Was Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. Number 6, how did you learn this language? How did you practice it? Because you are speaking so fluently and confidently. Would you like to tell my Skype friends? I had a lot of interest in English since my childhood. You know, that time my parents could not recognize me because they are uneducated, and I got changed myself in our local environment. After a long time, when I understood myself, then I started my English journey in internet social media, where right now I am on this social media app, yes. Number 7, what is your hobbies? Do you play any game or not? I don't play any game, but yes, something are my favorites. Like whatever I want to learn from social media, like English conversation, singing, dancing, and morning physically and mind exercise. And interested learning something new every day. Number 8, what is your future plan? What do you want to become? Where do you want to see yourself in future? I live in present the best and don't live seeing any dream because it hurts human feelings badly a lot. So I am not interested making any dream so that I feel happy in the journey of my life. But yes, whatever I feel like, I do that with full responsibility. Otherwise, I don't waste my time for all those things. Yes, Mr. ABC, I took too much time of you. So I think we should stop our communication. Okay, Mr. ABC, I got very interested to talking with you. Now it has got almost 20 minutes. We should end the communication. Thanks for now each other well. Bye bye, we will meet again some other time.